Most people think they're investing, that they're just making beginner mistakes. And the worst part? Even people who call themselves experts still do this. This video is for beginners, and for those who think they already understand investing, but still make rookie mistakes. Today, I'll show you the difference between how beginners invest vs how experts think. Watch till the end. You might catch your own mistake. Subscribe and like. Let's get into it. Part 1. Beginners invest with emotions. Experts invest with logic. Beginners see a stock going up. They rush in because of FOMO. Experts ask, why is it going up? Is it sustainable? Part 2. Beginners chase quick profits. Experts play the long game. Beginners want to double money in weeks. Experts focus on consistent growth over years. Part 3. Beginners invest randomly. Experts research before every move. Beginners follow tips from friends, reels, or trends. Experts check fundamentals, trends, and risks. Part 4. Beginners go all in. Experts manage risk. Beginners put all money in one place. Experts diversify because they know losses are part of the game. Part 5. Beginners wait for the perfect time. Experts start and adjust. Beginners keep saying, I'll start later. Experts know, time in the market beats timing the market. I've seen this myself. Most people don't fail because investing is hard. They fail because they repeat these mistakes. And the scary part? They don't even realize it. So now I want to know, which of these mistakes are you making? Comment below. I read every comment. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to fix these mistakes step by step. Subscribe now, and share this with someone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how.